Hey everyone, welcome to Team Inferno's SDDR for IRC 2026. Team Inferno is a group of about 40 undergraduate students from various fields working towards one singular goal, the advancement of space robotics and technology. This year we've built an entirely new rover from scratch, our most ambitious and innovative project yet and our 7th iteration of Martian rover prototypes, Aram. Now let me take you inside where my teammates will tell you more about it.
Aram's drive system features 12 motor, a 6-wheel Doppelbobi suspension with integrated craft steering, delivering high torque and precise lateral maneuverability. The single-axis rocker bogie arms, built from high strength-to-weight carbon fiber rods, are stabilized by a bar differential mechanism. This link uses 3 SS302 plates to ensure chassis balance and impact resistance. The custom wheel features 3D printed PETG hubs and an outer layer of flexible TPU95A for optimal shock absorption and traction. The rover also incorporates an interchangeable arm, maintaining the modularity of the rope. This year's 6DF manipulator uses a carbon composite structure, maximizing the load to weightage.
The base delivers precise translational motion through a lead screw and a linear guide assembly, ensuring stable millimeter-level positioning. The yaw motion is offloaded to the rover's 2 DOF wheel platform, while the 3 pitch joints use custom 3D-printed cycloidal drives for low backlash and consistent torque. The distal module features a helical bevel disc differential driven by dual DC motors to provide a fully decoupled pitch and roll motion. The end effector integrates a stepper-driven worm gear and a 4-bar linkage mechanism, and the TPU claws are paired with a solenoid and laser unit for precise and repeatable panel interaction.
The electrical subsystem of the rover is powered by a custom lithium-ion battery pack integrated with a battery management system. Brush DC motors are used for locomotion, steering of individual wheels, actuation of the robotic arm, and control of the science assembly. All electrical connections are routed through custom 2-layer PCBs with a total of 4 boards for the arm, drive, science subsystem, and power management.
Multiple microcontrollers manage the individual subsystems and ensure retrieval of sensor data along with PID-based control for precise operation. A Jetson Orin Nano handles high-level computation and data processing. Communication between the base station and the rover is maintained using high-gain antennas. The rover is also equipped with a dedicated kill switch for complete power isolation and safety.
Aram is built on a tightly integrated ROS2 architecture that brings every subsystem into a unified high-reliability control network. At its core is a custom mission control GUI, streaming real-time sensor data, camera feeds, and system diagnostics over ROS2 topics. With both digital and low-latency analog FPV integrated operators get situational awareness and can issue precise navigation and manipulation commands.
Aram's complete autonomy stack is built on ROS2 Humble, validated within the Gazebo environment. Our robust localization relies on an extended Kalman filter, fusing data seamlessly with the Z2i stereo camera, IMU, odometry, and GPS. We also integrate a fine-tuned deep learning model for object detection using the Z2i, supporting target identification and other mission-level tasks.
Our science assembly has aluminium framework with vertical soil acquisition system. At the center, it has the testing mechanism with rotating crouser having reagents and chemical tests. We have Raman spectrometer for finding the Raman shifts of organic and inorganic solvents. We also have calorimetry chemical tests for Nessler, Mohar, and Buret tests for protein, ammonia, and chlorine respectively. Our sensors have all the required environmental gases like VOCs, oxygen, methane, etc. All this analysis make it best for the astrobiology expedition.
At Team Inferno, everything runs on a tightly coordinated and engineering-driven workflow. Each subsystem has a clear milestone roadmap, and we keep focused weekly meetings to review design, catch bottlenecks early, and keep everyone in team aligned. All tasks and deliverables are managed on ClickUp in real time, giving us feasibility to check on each module. With this structured design review, fast feedback loops, and continuous testing, we ensure to resolve issue quickly, integrates all subsystems smoothly, and make our rover on track for a mission-level performance.
Hi, I'm Eva, the one who keeps Inferno looking cool on the outside while the engineers make the magic on the inside. This year, we built a strong funding model with the help of our sponsors, the university, and our own members. On the PR front, we've been everywhere, from open houses to workshops, you name it. We've made it a point to take Inferno beyond the lab and build a brand that feels inspiring and innovative.
Innovate! Inspire!